So our next question is, an object of 5 centimeter in size is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter from a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed to get the sharp image? Also calculate size of the image. This is your question. See what are the given. An object of 5 centimeter in size means it has given the size of the object. Size of the object means h 5 centimeter. Distance 20 centimeter means u. Size of the object is 5 centimeter and this distance of the object is 20 centimeter and it is in front of the mirror, concave mirror, so it will be minus 20. Focal length 15 centimeter. Front of the mirror means minus 15. Now we have to take the distance of the image and size of the image. Okay. Now first we take the position of image. What are the given things? H, size of the object 5 centimeter, focus minus 15 centimeter because it is in front of the concave mirror, u equals to minus 20 centimeter because it is in front of the concave mirror. Now position of image, we have to find the distance. Here the distance of the object is minus 20, so we have to find the distance of the image. 1 upon f equals to 1 upon u plus 1 upon v. We want v, so 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. Putting the values, 1 upon minus 15 minus 1 upon minus 20. This minus will become plus, then minus this. After calculation you will be getting 1 upon v equals to minus 1 upon 60. Now reciprocal v equals to minus 60 centimeter. Okay. Now we got the distance. Now we will find the size of image, h dash. We know magnification equals to h dash upon h and it is equals to minus v upon u. So we want h dash. So we will cross multiply minus v into h upon u. Substituting all the values, minus v, this is minus v ka value minus 60 into h, size of the object 5 and u is minus 20. After calculation we will be getting size of the image is minus 15 centimeter. Size of the object is 5 centimeter and size of the image is minus 15 centimeter. So negative it has come. When the image of the object is negative, then it will be real and inverted. You have to write the nature of the image by seeing the values. So sign convention is very, very important. You have to you have to learn by heart. You have to understand when we have to take minus, when we have not to take minus. If the value becomes minus, then what will be the answer? So our next question is, an object of 4 centimeter high is placed at a distance of 6 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Means the size of the object is 4 centimeter. Okay. The distance of the object from the concave mirror means it is in front of the left side of the concave mirror is 6 centimeter. Means u will become minus 6 and in front of concave mirror of focal length 12 centimeter. Focal length is also in front of the concave mirror, so it will become minus 12. Find the position, nature and size of the image formed. Size of the image formed means h dash we have to take. Position means we have to take v. Okay. Now solution, size of object h equals to 4 centimeter. Distance of object u equals to minus 6 centimeter because it is in front of the concave mirror. Focal length f equals to minus 12. sign convention. See the sign convention. You have to learn by heart sign convention. Okay, f equals to minus 12 because concave mirror it is in front of the concave mirror, है ना. तो f तुम्हारा क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस हो जाएगा. Now the formula, mirror formula, 1 upon f equals to 1 upon u plus 1 upon v. We have to find v, so 1 upon v equals to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. Substituting the values, 1 upon minus 12 minus 1 upon minus 6. So minus 1 upon 12 plus minus what it will come to, plus 1 upon 6. Then v, after calculation we are getting 1 upon v equals to 1 upon 12, means it is a positive. Reciprocal करो तो v equals to 12 centimeter. Yes or no? Image is formed behind the, when v equals to plus 12, means it is a positive value. तो तुम्हारा mirror image कहाँ बनेगा, behind the concave mirror. This is your mirror, object is here and your image is getting back side because it is having positive value, and here it will be, if it comes it will be having negative value. So image is formed behind the concave mirror. So this image is virtual. How we can say that it is virtual? Because it is the image is formed is getting positive value. The distance of the image is positive, so it is we can conclude that it is behind the mirror and it is a virtual. Now second, we have to find the size of the image. अभी अपन ने distance of the image निकाला. Now we have to take size of the image. So how you, size of the image means h dash upon h equals to minus v upon u. H dash equals to cross multiplication minus v into h divided by u. Now substituting the values, minus 12 into 4 upon minus 6. After deduction, this minus will cancel, 6 1s are 6 2s are 4 2s are 8. So h dash equals to 8 centimeter. It is bigger than u. It is bigger than u. U is minus 6 and it is plus 8 centimeter. H dash is greater than h and h is positive. So we can conclude that image is erect, virtual and erect. I hope you understood. You have to read the sign conventions. You have to learn by heart all the 6 images of the concave mirror and 2 of the convex mirror. Then only you can able to solve the numericals. Again and again I am telling you. So our next question is, a concave mirror produces 3 times enlarged image of an object placed at 10 centimeter in front of it. Means mirror के सामने a image of the object is 3 times enlarged. ठीक है, placed at 10 centimeter in front of it. Calculate the radius of curvature of the mirror. Means we have to find the r. Object distance of the object u equals to minus 10 centimeter. Your magnification is 3. Okay, it has given 3 times enlarged image. So m equals to minus v upon u. We will find the value of v. V equals to minus m into u, minus 3 into minus 10, which is equals to 30 centimeter. We got v. Then in the first case 1, 1 upon f equals to 1 upon u plus 1 upon v. We will be getting, we have to find f. We know the formula r equals to 2f. So first we have to find the value of f. Substituting the values, we are getting f equals to minus 15 centimeter because it is in front of the concave mirror. Now second case, f equals to r upon 2 or r equals to 2f. 2 into minus 15, which is equals to r equals to minus 30 centimeter. We have find the radius of curvature. So our next question is, a convex mirror used in a bus has radius of curvature 3.5 meters. If the driver of the bus locates a car at 10 meters behind the bus, find the position, nature and size of the mirror. We have to find the position, nature and size of the image mirror. Okay. Now a convex mirror is used in a bus. Means a radius of curvature r 3.5 meters it has given. The formula to find the focus is F equals to R upon 2. Yes or no? F equals to R upon 2 means 3.5 upon 2 equals to 1.75 meters. Now distance of the object is minus 10 meters left side. है ना, U equals to minus 10 meters. Now we formula 1 upon F equals to 1 upon U plus 1 upon V. 1 upon V equals to 1 upon F minus 1 upon U. It will come to this side, then it will come minus 1.75 minus 1 upon minus 10. माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा तो 1.7 प्लस 1 upon 10. After calculating you will be getting 1 upon V equals to 47 upon 70. Then V reciprocal, V equals to 70 by 47 which is equals to 1.5. V equals to 1.5 meters. Distance of the image is positive 1.5 meters. So in the convex mirror means it positive आया. V का value distance of the image 1.5 meters. So it will be behind the mirror. The car appears to be at 1.5 meters from the convex mirror and behind the mirror. Next, size and nature we have to find. M equals to minus V upon U which is equals to minus 1.5 upon minus 10 which is equals to minus minus cancel. You will be getting 0.15 meters. Now, thus the size of the image of the car is 0.15 times the actual size of the car. Means whatever is the size of the car is 0.15 times multiplied by 0.15 times the image of the car. Okay. Since M is positive, you got the value of M positive. So the image of the car is virtual and erect. Virtual and erect.